Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Dollars. Today, we've got a major legal showdown that could shake up Social Security as we know it. A federal judge just ruled against the Department of Government Efficiency, blocking its access to millions of American Social Security data. This decision is sparking big debates about privacy, government overreach, and the future of Social Security. What does it mean for you? And could it impact your benefits? We're breaking it all down, so stay tuned. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to Daily Dollars for more crucial updates. All right, let's get into it. DOGE, a government agency focused on efficiency reforms, has been investigating potential fraud and mismanagement within the SSA. As part of that effort, 10 anonymous DOGE affiliates were granted access to sensitive Social Security data containing the personally identifiable information of millions of Americans. However, concerns quickly arose over privacy and data security, sparking legal challenges against DOGE. Critics argue that the mass access to personal data lacked sufficient oversight and posed serious risks to the individuals whose information was exposed. This lawsuit is one of many that DOGE has faced in recent years as it pushes for widespread government reforms, especially in programs like Social Security, which supports over 72.5 million Americans through Social Security and supplemental security income benefits. In a decisive ruling, United States District Judge Ellen Hollander barred DOGE from accessing the sensitive systems of SSA and ordered the agency to destroy any non-anonymized data it had already obtained. In her decision, Judge Hollander pointed out the contradiction in DOGE's stance on privacy. She noted that the department was protecting the identities of its own affiliates while seemingly disregarding the privacy of millions of Americans whose information had been accessed without their consent. Her ruling laid out three key takeaways. 1. DOGE is now blocked from further access to the sensitive databases of SSA. 2. Any non-anonymized data already collected must be destroyed. 3. If DOGE wants future access, it must undergo additional training and provide a detailed justification for its requests. Judge Hollander went even further, criticizing DOGE's approach, stating that the department appears to be searching for widespread fraud without clear evidence that such fraud actually exists. She likened it to a fishing expedition, searching for a needle in a haystack without even knowing if the needle is there. Beyond the immediate legal ruling, DOGE's efforts to reform the SSA have raised broader concerns. Under its directive, the SSA is moving forward with plans to close nearly 50 Social Security offices across 18 states, primarily in the South and Southeast. This restructuring, according to DOGE, is aimed at reducing inefficiencies and cutting government spending. However, critics warn that these cuts could have severe consequences for millions of Americans who rely on Social Security services. Key voices have spoken out against these changes. Representative John Larson warned that laying off half the workforce at the Social Security Administration and shutting down field offices will result in delays, disruptions, and denials of benefits for millions. With over 72 million Americans depending on Social Security and SSI benefits, any disruption in the system could have widespread consequences, especially for retirees, disabled individuals, and low-income families who rely on timely payments. The SSA office closures are set to begin soon, and unless new policies are introduced, beneficiaries could face service disruptions. As for DOGE's access to SSA data, Judge Hollander left the door open for potential reconsideration. However, DOGE would first need to complete additional privacy training and provide a clear, evidence-based justification for why non-anonymized data is necessary for its investigation. Whether DOGE will comply with these conditions or challenge the ruling remains to be seen. What is clear is that this battle over Social Security is far from over. This ruling raises some serious questions. How do we balance government oversight with personal privacy? Should DOGE continue its investigations into Social Security fraud? Or is this approach putting vital benefits at risk? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Daily Dollars, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important financial update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.